Hey guys, Jason here. So I'm gonna do something a little bit different today and not talk about locks. I got this for Christmas from my beautiful wife. It is the Olloclip 4-in-1 photo lens and Ollocase that fits on my iPhone. And it has little clip-on lenses that give you different fields of view, fisheye, wide angle, etc. I hate it when people say etc. in videos. And I think it flips over. So I haven't opened this, and I actually was gonna return it and just buy something else, but it was a Christmas present, and Best Buy only has like a 30-day or 40-day return, so it let lapse. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy, and then I will clip together a video after I've gotten it open with some of the lenses. And again, one of the main reasons I wasn't overly, I use my iPhone, is recording this. I use my iPhone for pretty much all recordings up until I get a GoPro. Hopefully will be soon. And so I hadn't opened this yet because I wasn't thrilled that, I guess you have to have this case to make it clip on correctly. And in my work, I am always dropping my phone, so I've got right now I've got an OtterBox case, but I usually use Trident. So not knowing how durable this case was, I was real resistant because I'm gonna have to take my case off, my phone out of my case, put this case on, and then use it. So I was kind of resistant to actually opening it at first because I didn't want to go through all that. This case looks really, really large for my phone. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. And I've got a 6. And this case is too big for this phone. I'm sorry how they're close, but this does not fit my phone. So I guess it's gonna go back in the box and get sent to eBay or something. Oh wait, there's two cases in there. Nah, I may crop that out. That was silly. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop it open and see what we got. So it comes with both cases. So if anybody needs an Olloclip case for their 6 Plus, yeah, that just barely fits my phone. So it comes with both cases, 6 Plus, and two little pendants, I guess, that hold the lens on. Bag, I'm hoping that feels like there's lens covers. That was one thing I was worried about, was if there were actually lens covers. So this is another pendant with both lenses on it. Okay, I didn't show the lens cap, but there is another lens cap in this little bag. And I don't really understand all these pendants since there's only 2 lenses. Nor do I certainly understand a key ring. Go ahead and cap this one so it doesn't get dust on it. And so there it is. That's pretty much all it is. And this is, I have no idea what those are for. No directions. By the shape of them, I'm gonna assume there's some kind of spacers. I don't know. and a neck lanyard, which is just kind of goofy. So there we have it, a little clip thingy. That pretty strong spring, and presumably you just clip it to this, and that way you can wear it around your neck, which I wouldn't do unless I was, that's just weird. I don't think anybody's going to do that. So there's a lot of fluff in this. They probably could have made this cheaper by getting rid of, okay, so how do you do this? You unsnap it. Yep, unsnap it, and then presumably it snaps over. Like, here's the case, which is definitely not a very good protector case, but presumably it just snaps over like so and goes in front of the camera on the phone. So, not overly impressed, but because again, I've got to switch out my cases every time. This may still go back on eBay. I don't know. But, you know, if they sold them individually, maybe it would have been cheaper. This wearable pendant thing with 3 different colors is kind of ridiculous. I mean, and this, not, you know, come on now. That's kind of silly. Cute little bag to hold it. Hold the lenses in here. I'll see if it's big enough for it. Yep. So it's going to be good to have in my kit. Yeah, I'll probably use it for a couple of videos. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take my case, this one that I'm around my phone now, out, and we will switch it out, and then I'll give you a few shots of what it looks like with all 4 lenses on it. And 4 and 1, I guess. There's only 2 lenses. And presumably you would maybe unscrew it or something to make it. Unscrew fisheye to reveal macro, and then unscrew wide angle to reveal macro 10. So once I get it on the phone, that unscrews. So there's another little lens right there. So I guess that gives you the macro part once you take the actual fisheye lenses at wide angle, and it tells you on the side. So we'll get it clipped onto my phone and do another video a little bit later and splice them together. Okay, I'm back. Got the case clipped on and the fisheye, obviously. This is the fisheye lens from the exact same angle that I was on before. You can see a much wider field of view. Before it was very small. This opens it up. Pretty neat. Let's go ahead and unscrew. And as far as how it snaps on, it's kind of wobbly. Definitely couldn't use this running. Okay, and that would be macro. So presumably we're going to have to get really close to that. Something's wrong here. Do you unscrew it all the way? Kind of scared to drop this. Whoa. Alright, so that is, let's just do this. Boom. Macro. definitely a macro setting. But you got to get it right up on it. I mean, like, tap. I'm right there on the lens. So, got to get really close for macro, obviously, because it is macro. Let's put that back, and that was macro 15 times, so that's the highest macro setting. So we're going to unsnap it, go back to our regular view, flip it over, and clip it back on, and then this field of view is called wide angle. So as you can see from before, we unclip. Still kind of learn the, oh, okay, that, and wide angle. So it definitely widens out the angle some, which is pretty good. I may use this definitely for some videos since I've got them now. So that's it. Oh wait, let's go macro 10x. So we unscrew this lens. Accidentally turned it off. So we unscrew this lens. Oh, and we've got a macro 10x, which means hold still camera, which is a little bit less macro than the other one. Still, oh, there we go. Still have to get it right up on the camera. But as you can see, that is the 10x macro. Okay, so you can hold it. You can't really hold it far away from directly on the lens. So there we have it. There is a macro shot of the lens. And pretty much it. So definitely useful for some things. And I don't know, I'll give it a try on a few videos. So thanks for watching. And next up, I'm going to do my review on the Knipex plier wrench that I just got in. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks. Bye.